Good morning, students. This is your conversation class, and you see this is your conversation book. Tell me why. And page number is 8 and 9. Do you know what is the meaning of conversation? Its meaning is to sharing our thoughts and ideas. Now, today's topic is at sweet home. What is the meaning of home? Home is where people live. So, can you see the pictures, the whole pictures? This is a home where some specific rooms are drawn. So, you will observe these rooms very carefully. This is a bedroom. A bedroom is a room in a house for the bed. So, it is mainly used for sleeping. In this picture, there is a bed, a side table, a cupboard, a chair, a curtain and a lamp, and also a footmat. This is bedroom, B-E-D-R-O-O-M, bedroom.
So now we will head to our next room, which is a bathroom.
Bathroom in a house that contains a bathtub, a shower, basin where we wash our hands, and a commode. It is called bathroom as we take bath in this room. Now look at this. This is a mirror, a hand towel, soap case, a bucket also. So now we are going third room. This is library, where people keep different type of books, magazines, newspaper, and this is a showcase, bookcase, and this is a lamp, wall lamp. This is a table where people can sit and study there. Now this is staircase. This is staircase. Staircase are needed for convenient and safe going from one floor to another one. Now
from staircase we will head to our kitchen. A kitchen is a place where different meals are cooked, and you can see a stove is here, different utensils are here, mixer grinder is here, and a microwave oven is here. This place where different meals like breakfast, lunch, dinner are cooked is called as kitchen. It is called as kitchen. Now we will head to our other room. It is called dining room. Dining room is a place where the foods are served, which is cooked in the kitchen. Whatever meal is cooked in the kitchen is served in the dining room. A dining room consists of a table where foods are kept. You can see there are different utensils like a bowl, where chairs are kept so that you can sit and eat. A refrigerator is there where you keep your food, and a window is there for a breezy air. Now this place is called dining room. It is called dining room. Now we will head to our other room. This place is called living room. Guests who come in this room sit in the living room. Living room consists of a sofa, table, floor mat, standing lamp. You can see a vase there. This is kept for decoration. There is a plant in that vase. There is a curtain and there is a door. This place is called living room. Some people call living room as drawing room. But right now, what we are studying? We are studying it is as a living room. A place where you can sit and talk to other housemates or your guest. Now coming out of this house, this is our house, this is our sweet home. Now coming out, you can see here is a garage. It is a garage. Garage is a place where we park our car, our motorbike, our cycle, any automobile which is parked in the house. That place is called garage. It is called as garage. Now coming out of the house, coming out of our sweet home. Coming out of our sweet home, what do we see here? We see a garden. This is a garden. And you can see different plants. And you can see very beautiful and pretty flowers. You can see a very pretty grass and a big swimming pool. Swimming pool which consists of water, blue water. That place is called swimming pool. Here you can swim. Here you can swim. A swimming pool is in the garden, in our beautiful and pretty garden. So this is our sweet home. This is our sweet home. There is a bedroom. There is a bathroom. There is a library. There is a staircase. There is a kitchen. There is a dining room. There is a living room. There is a garage. There is a swimming pool. And then there is a pretty and beautiful garden. And there is some cloud also. Do you see the cloud? There is some beautiful cloud. And a very happy sun. And a very happy sun. We live in this sweet home. Home protects us from other environments. And we feel happy while we stay in our home. Now, as you have seen the picture, as you have learned about different and specific room, we will answer some of the question. So what is written here? It is written, look at the picture. So we have to look at these pictures. Okay. Look at these pictures and then we have to fill in the blanks. We have to fill some of the blanks. So what is our first question? First question is, there is a car in the. So the question is, where is the car? Where is the car in the sweet home? The car is in the garage. That red color beautiful car is in the garage. So where is the car? The car is in the garage. So now we will write G-A-R-A-G-E. So there is a car in the garage. Our beautiful red car is in the garage. So now next question. Question number 2. There is a cupboard in the. Where is the cupboard? He is asking, where is the cupboard? The cupboard is in the bedroom. The cupboard is in the bedroom. Do you see? See, this is called cupboard. Cupboard is a place where you keep your clothes. You keep your clothes in the cupboard. So where is the cupboard? The cupboard is in the bedroom. It is in the bedroom. B-E-D-R-O-O-M. Bedroom. So cupboard is in the bedroom. Now coming to our third question. Third question is, there is a swimming pool in the. Where was the swimming pool? Can you tell me where was the swimming pool? Yes, swimming pool was in the garden. Our beautiful garden. So what we will write? There is a swimming pool in the garden. G-A-R-D-E-N. There is a swimming pool in the garden. So coming to our next question, question number 4. There is a refrigerator in the. Do you remember where was the refrigerator? I told you refrigerator was kept in the. Where it was kept? It was kept in the dining room. It is kept in the dining room. So the answer is dining room. There is a refrigerator in the D-I-N-I-N-G. Dining room. Okay. Now our fifth question. There is a lamp in the. Where was the lamp? Do you remember where was the lamp? Yes. Lamp was in our bedroom. Do you see the lamp? Lamp is a place which holds light. So it is in bedroom. It is in the library. Wall lamp in the library. And then a lamp is in the living room. Standing lamp. So 3 rooms had lamps. So what we will write? There is a lamp in the bedroom. B-E-D-R-O-O-M. Bedroom, comma. And it was in the library. L-I-B-R-A-R-Y. A-R-Y, comma, and it was in the living room. L-I-V-I-N-G, living room. So now we have given all the answers. What now you can do is, we will send you the picture of this sweet home. You can take the printout and then fill the answers on your own. If in case you don't have this book, which is known as Tell Me Why book, what you can do is, you can take the printout of that page. You can take the printout of Sweet Home page, and if you are not able to take the printout, you can draw the pictures. What you can do is, you take your school copy, write the question, give the answer, and draw small indicators with the question. Like, you can draw a small square and you can draw a beautiful red car in that square, and then you can color it, which will represent it as a garage in the car. You can draw a small bedroom, you can draw a small garden with the swimming pool, you can draw a very beautiful refrigerator in the dining room, and you can draw a beautiful lamp in the bedroom, living room and the library. So what you can do is, write the question, give the answer and draw beautiful indicators and color it. So thank you. Have a very beautiful and nice day at your home.